I'm going to talk about InDesign Assignment 1, which is this Amuse Postcard layout. And what we're looking at now is the kind of finished product. So this is what it's going to look like when you're done. At least it should be what it looks like when you're finished. So what you're going to find on D2L is you're going to find a zipped file that says assignment 1 files. And when you double click it, it unzips it. So this is what you'll find. And there's a start file in here. It says start InDesign. That's what you need. So you're going to open up that start file. So you can see this looks different than that final finished file that we saw. There's also in this folder a couple of other things that you're going to need. So this is the other image that you're going to be placing. So all the start files are in here. There's also an instruction sheet that you're going to need. So this is, and I think I already had it open, student instructions, yeah. So you're going to find the student instruction sheet, and this is what you're going to be following. So it's step by step. You just follow this. So open D2L, find the class, MGD 114. Under Activities Assignment 1, Page Layout, you'll find a zip file with the files you need to download to your computer, and file storage. That is supposed to be a 2, so I'll fix that to complete this project. Make a new folder on your storage device, so on your flash drive, if you're using one, named InDesign, and you should have the assignments folder under that. So I've already showed you this and in some previous videos, but just to kind of show you Fall 20 InDesign assignments. So in here, you're going to have an Assignment 1 Amuse Postcard. So this is where we're going to be saving this to. So it tells you to open this file and then go to File, Save As. Make sure you save it as last name, first initial, underscore, InDesign, underscore, A1. So it's going into that folder that's under Front Range. And mine doesn't let me put it there right now, but if I just save it directly to my desktop, then I can just move it into that folder. You just don't want to forget. So I'm going to start doing a couple of these, but I'm not going to do too many because I really want you to just follow these instructions. You should be able to, figure this out. It says highlight the word cafe and delete it, replace it the word bistro. So right here, you're going to highlight this and just type in bistro. With the insertion point still in the text, click 3 times to select bakery and bistro. If necessary, use a selection tool to drag the bottom of the text frame. So what it's saying is if you just click on it a couple of times, it highlights the whole thing. You can also click, hold, and drag to highlight it. And then it's asking you to change this to a bold font. So that's what that is talking about. So that's number 3. So you're basically going to follow all of these. I'm telling you exactly how, what color to make things. So select the fork, and one of the things that people miss is that the fork and knife logo is off the edge over here. So I'm asking you to do some things with it, and you're going to actually move it over here, and I tell you to rotate it some percentage, so you have to watch the little numbers. And remember, if you hold shift, it goes at 45. I'm probably not having you rotate it that much, but you're going to want to watch it to make sure you rotate it, whatever I tell you to rotate it. And the swatches, I'm telling you to make some colored swatches unless there are already swatches in there. But I tell you exactly what it is that you need to do. So you just need to follow all of these instructions until you are complete. So check yourself and make sure these are all worth points. This entire assignment's worth 20 points. So that's it. So remember, you can go back to the beginning of the video, but just to kind of show you, this is the end kind of product. So you can see that this was all white in the beginning and you're changing it to red with a green stroke, and then you're rotating it kind of to that left area. So this is what you're aiming for. Not a difficult assignment, just to kind of practice some of those different things that we need in InDesign. So if I hit save here, let me just close that, go to assignments. I already made that Amuse postcard, so when I'm done, I'm just going to drag it into that Amuse postcard assignment there, and that's what you're going to be uploading into D2L. And that's it. Thank you.